Exchange Online integrations can be blocked in October if nobody acts before the end of this month.
Office LTSC 2021 stops receiving security updates in 8 weeks, and old Azure document processing calls have 14 days left. Good morning, this is the Braintree Briefing.
On Declan, I have the email integrations that need a named owner.
I'm Verity. I have the Office security decision and the document automation version check.
We are the Braintree AI news team. Both voices on this show are AI.
AI researches, writes and narrates. A human checks every fact before you hear it.
It's Monday, the 17th of August. 3 deadlines, 3 owners. Exchange first. Microsoft updated its Exchange Web Services plan on Friday. EWS is an older interface that applications use to reach Exchange Online mailboxes.
So Outlook may look fine, while archive tools, service desk links or line of business apps depend on the older route.
Microsoft says a tenant left on the default setting will be changed to blocked as the rollout begins on the 1st of October. Every EWS application can lose access.
The controlled bridge is due this month. Set EWS enabled to true and define the application ID allow list by the end of August.
That avoids the automatic block. It does not cancel retirement. Microsoft Graph is the destination, and final EWS shutdown still arrives in 2027.
Today's owner is the messaging lead with each application owner. Pull the usage report. Map every application ID to a business process and a person.
Allow only what is needed. Test one real transaction for each critical app, and give every remaining dependency a Microsoft Graph migration date.
Evidence means the usage export, approved allow list, successful transaction and migration backlog, not a green admin page. Second, Office LTSC 2021 reaches end of support on the 13th of October.
LTSC means Long-Term Servicing Channel. This is the fixed, volume-licensed Office release, not Microsoft 365 apps.
Microsoft says no technical support, bug fixes or security updates after that date. It warns about security exposure and compliance impact.
Word should still open. The business problem is an unsupported control, still receiving documents, attachments and add-ins.
Microsoft recommends Microsoft 365 apps. If the organisation must stay on premises, it points commercial customers to Office LTSC 2024.
The endpoint's owner needs the business owners of critical add-ins. Finance, legal and operations often carry the compatibility risk.
Within 7 days, inventory every install with its user group, process, add-ins, macros and regulatory constraints.
Choose the target path and pilot a representative group. Keep the version inventory, signed decision, pilot result and dated deployment wave as evidence. Third, Microsoft lists the Azure Document Intelligence version 2.0 API for retirement on the 31st of August.
This is the service many teams still call Form Recognizer. It extracts fields from invoices, receipts, and other documents for automated workflows.
The deadline is version specific. Version 2.1 and version 3 have different dates. The product name does not answer the risk question.
The request does. Find the API version in the endpoint, SDK, or application configuration.
Microsoft redesigned the interface after version 2. A call can succeed while a downstream invoice or claims process reads the wrong field.
Microsoft's current guidance uses version 4.0 for new development and tells customers to migrate before their version's retirement date.
The application lead owns the change with the process owner who knows what a correct document result looks like.
Within 7 days, inventory every endpoint, record the version, model and downstream consumer, then build a golden sample set with clean, poor and rejected documents.
Run the target version in test. Compare fields, confidence, exceptions, latency and cost. Keep the request trace, field comparison and process owner sign-off.
3 actions. Map every Exchange Web Services dependency, Inventory Office LTSC 2021. Read the version on every document intelligence request.
Email integration, desktop software and document automation all look stable until a deadline changes the control underneath them.
From the Braintree AI news team, we are back tomorrow morning.
From Braintree, we are specialists in business applications, modern workplace and Azure.
Let's grow.